Today, we will demonstrate how to put the Piavet Belt and the Piavet Measuring Device onto a horse. It is important for conductivity to clear the area of the horse's barrel where the Piavet Measuring Device will be applied. Now you can begin the application process of the Piavet Belt by opening the black plastic buckle and the Velcro at the top of the Piavet Belt. Put the belt around the horse with the silicone Piavet Measuring Device mount on the left side of the horse. The Piavet Belt should rest on the horse's body, very similar to that of a lunging surcingle. The Piavet patch logo should rest on the right side of the horse's barrel. After having placed the Piavet Belt on the horse, close the buckle under the stomach and tighten the loose end of the webbing. To ensure that the spare webbing does not disturb the horse, slide the loose end of the webbing into the elastic band under the stomach. After you have closed the plastic buckle under the horse's stomach, you can close the Velcro located on top of the belt at the withers. This Velcro does not need to be closed very tightly. Please be sure to check the other side of the horse. Additional adjustments might need to be made on the right side of the horse's barrel to secure a better fit. Once both sides of the horse has been checked, please check the overall tightness of the Piavet Belt by placing one hand between the Piavet Belt and the horse. To open the silver button of the Piavet Measuring Device mount, place 2 fingers around the top of the silver button and pull up. To close, push down while applying pressure from below at the same time. Be sure you do not press directly on the button, as this may cause damage to the button. Before you close the Piavet Measuring Device mount, apply liberal amounts of alcohol to the horse's coat. Apply the alcohol liberally to the area where the Piavet Measuring Device will rest in the Piavet Measuring Device mount. Be sure the alcohol has direct contact with the horse's skin. After applying a liberal amount of alcohol to the horse's coat, you can place the Piavet Measuring Device into the Piavet Measuring Device mount. To be sure the Piavet Measuring Device fits snug into the mount, please be sure that the 2 small silicone tabs on the inside of the mount tuck under the Piavet Measuring Device. An alternative to applying alcohol is the use of electrode-based gel. This is very helpful if the Piavet Measuring Device is running a long, consistent recording on a horse. The use of electrode-based gel will offer a longer, stable connection between the skin and the Piavet Measuring Device. Apply the gel liberally in 2 stripes on the horse's coat. Make sure it is applied where the ECG panels of the Piavet Measuring Device will be placed. Rub the electrode-based gel deep into the horse's coat to ensure the gel is contacting the horse's skin and the Piavet Measuring Device. Note, ultrasound gel does not contain the appropriate electrodes necessary for conductivity in a recording and therefore should not be used. Congratulations! You've completed all the necessary steps for applying the Piavet Belts and the Piavet Measuring Device to the horse. Now you're ready to start a measurement. We certainly thank you for your time and hope that this video tutorial helps you with the installation of the Piavet Measuring Device and the Piavet Belt.